You ever notice most of the people, not all of them, they do this kind of stuff are just good old down there, salted earth kind of people? They're basically pretty friendly.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Quite. Yeah. Like, I had somebody stop at the gate and strike up a quick conversation with me as I was leaving a couple weeks back. You know, so I'm now, so to speak, Facebook friends, you know. Not close, but just let it be whatever it is.
Right.
So they come out, they take photos out here. Apparently pretty regular. My sock on my right foot is falling down. Well, it's falling down. It'll be all right. I guess I am a little NASCAR.
Well, we're not gonna go catch the bus, are we?
No. It's like, oh, I know the falls is up there, but the part in between is nice too.
I mean,
so I'm walking like I've got to get to the falls, and there's nothing in between.
there's plenty.
But there's plenty. Yeah, there's plenty in between.
If you walk past everything, you don't see anything.
Yeah, and then look, then my GoPro has more fun than I do, right? Because it's getting to see.
See, there's another issue. See, you've already seen this. I haven't.
Yep. Oh, and this is a spectacular little.
I mean, you know.
What do you call it? Amphitheater or something?
Yeah. You know, like I said, I like this a whole lot because that other entrance, we went through there a couple of times. All right, I'm already bored with this.
See, now this is the high spot. Right here. This is your great view in the middle of everything. And now the trail goes on over that way to the falls, but this is your spot to set up your whatever tripod and take some nice pictures.
Oh yeah.
Anywhere right up here, man. Woo! Awesome.
Yeah, this, like I said, this is kind of interesting.
Yeah, from right here you can hardly take it in.
Yeah, there is a lot. You're right. There is a lot to see right here. I guess when I first got here, and this is my fault, but I mean, when we lived in South Carolina,
Yeah.
it was just beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, we had mountains.
Yeah.
And you come here and you call these mountains and go like, no man, these aren't mountains. I mean, you know, and number two, I've seen enough of the world and been enough places where I've seen spectacular. Hawaii and Alaska, I've been around the world. And I mean, Mount Fuji, Mount McKinley, Cotopaxi, you know, and you come here and everybody goes, wow, and I'm going like, you know, I mean, and I'm having to get that out of my mind, 'cause if you spend your time comparing to something, then you don't enjoy what you got. So you know, I'm kind of getting that out of my